He bloody stalled it. He stalled the lawnmower. It's bloody automatic and he stalled it. This is the heaviest lawnmower.
How's it again? 53 inches at first, half a barrel. Now leave it there. Go down to that bank there where it's flat. Oh, good one. No, here. You know there. Take it down. It's flat there. Take it down. Take it down.
No, wait, I'll do it here again. Let me try.
Get out here. Let it go down. Let it go down.
Oh, what you doing? Yeah, it's very tough. Wait down the back one. Okay, what you doing? Go on.
Come down.
Oh, I'm winning these tonight. These brakes are working.
Brakes on proper brakes.
Okay.
Right, ready? Right, you got it, yeah?
Yeah, I've got it.
This is brilliant.
This is not.
Am I clean?
This is not a goat.
Am I?
Yes.
Gone. It's told you it's heavy as.
The only thing you're going to be able to cut is your part.
You have to cut the whole thing.
You don't said get yourself a cold one.
I know. I said get a light one.
I said get a goat.
What?
Goats would have been the best, didn't it?
What is happening? What is going on? What is brilliant.